Welcome, friends. We'd
We'd
like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video.
Our names are Willie and Haruna, and many of you may know us as a prior USMC veteran, government contractor, and Haruna, a former medical assistant, as well as supermom. But you may not know that we have always been passionate about real estate. We love to serve homeowners in distress by providing solutions for problem properties, whether facing foreclosure, behind on payments, dealing with stress of divorce, managing burdensome properties with rising costs and repairs. We also help those who have lost loved ones and are navigating probate. These families often need to sell unwanted property and frequently require assistance transitioning a surviving parent into senior living care. As the baby boomers enter their golden years, there will be an ever-growing opportunity to serve their needs. So, why does this matter to you? Well, you see, we purchase houses using private money from individuals just like you who loan their money from their investment capital or retirement accounts. You can now earn high rates of return safely and securely in a way that most people don't even know exists. You can use money you may have in retirement account, a CD, money market, stocks, mutual funds, or any other traditional savings. Our program allows you to create wealth by making a passive investment secured by real estate for a certain and reliable return. You can earn anywhere from 2 to 20 times more than traditional sources by becoming one of our private money lenders. We always secure your investment with mortgage and make scheduled interest-only payments so that your principal remains the same for the duration of our agreement. We can customize the loan to fit your investment needs, but the length typically lasts 2 to 5 years. But in case of emergency, don't worry. You can always get your money back. Your money is not pooled with other investors, so you own the entire loan. And we make the rules, not some money manager looking for a commission. Now, you may be asking, why in the world would Willie and Haruna want to use private money and pay such high interest rates for it? Great question, but the answer is simple, really, time and convenience. You see, we can move quickly to make wholesale cash offers without the middleman. Banks have months of paperwork, loan officers, and underwriters. And quite frankly, they are paying to work with. You see, with private money, we negotiate more profitable offers, can close quickly, and can fund the unlimited number of deals. This allows us to keep your investment capital earning a high interest rate which doesn't change no matter if the market is up, down, or sideways, and your principal always remains the same. This is a very lucrative investment vehicle where you supply our company with short-term capital secured well by real estate for high, dependable, and safe returns. And that's the key, friends, your safety.
In fact, your safety is our number one priority. You know that traditional banks hedge their protection by loaning out only 80%. Requiring the borrower to make a 20% down payment. But you see, we protect our lenders even more. Our company only allows you to invest up to 75%, not 80%, of the home's after repair value. So, if we lose our minds and get abducted by aliens and go back to Okinawa, never to be heard from, you, as our private lender, are left with a huge amount of equity as a safety cushion. So, the worst that could happen is you end up owning a home at a very deep discount. A realtor could sell the property and get all your money back with interest. Not too bad. But equity is not your only safety net. We've said before that a mortgage will secure each investment you make with our company. Our attorneys will record this at the county courthouse. You will also receive a signed and notarized legal promissory note listing the exact terms of our agreement. The attorney will be responsible for all the documentation that keeps your investment safe and secure. So you have lots of equity in a property and you're legally protected. But what if the house is vandalized, destroyed by a hurricane, or fire? Not to worry, friends, because you will be well insured. This is because we also purchase property insurance as part of the closing costs that protect you from fire loss or any other act of God. The insurance company will name you the lender right on the policy. So if the house burns down, the insurance company pays you directly for the full amount of your loan. They don't pay us, they pay you. We cannot think of any other investment that offers this much protection, safety, stability, and high rate of return that private lending offers. We don't know about you, but right about now, we would be thinking, these people want me to send them a boatload of money to supposedly invest in real estate, but what if this is a scam and they run off with my money before any of those protections they talk about are in place? We don't blame you being a little skeptical, so let's put your mind at ease. You won't be sending any money directly to us or our company. You should never send money directly to any real estate investor, even if they're your friends or family. Instead, for your protection, you will send your funds directly to the escrow account of the closing attorney or title company. And just so you know, we pay all the closing costs. There are no hidden costs or fees when you lend your private money to us. You don't pay a penny. Now, we know that you want to invest your money safely and securely for a high rate of return. But maybe all of your money is in a retirement account, like a 401k, 401a, TSP, or other IRA. Can we use that? Absolutely yes, you can. And what a better way to grow your wealth than tax deferred, or in case of a Roth IRA, tax-free. If it's your IRA or 401k, now listen to this, it must be self-directed. Well, what do we mean by self-directed? It simply means that we must move your account to another IRS-approved third-party administrator. Then you could begin making private loans that earn interest tax-free. This is easy to accomplish and does not trigger any taxable event or penalty because it's moving from one IRA to another. If you think this is right for you, just let us know and we'll put you in touch with our self-directed IRA specialist. Now, since we're dealing with real estate, a minimum investment is required to participate. We use larger amounts of money to purchase properties and smaller amounts for rehab. Just let us know your investment range and we will put it to work for you. And no, we won't hold your money hostage either. Simply give us a verbal pledge of the amount you want to invest to get started. Of course, the more money you invest now, the faster your wealth will grow. Friends, we would like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video presentation on becoming a private lender. This strategy may or may not interest you, and that's okay. But we are sure many of you will have some questions to ask. Feel free to call or text us at 850-783-8184 and we can speak directly.
We look forward to hearing from you soon. Until then, friends.
Bye for now.